Hello everyone, welcome to Focus to Finance channel. You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your finances. Taking control of your finances is empowering. It allows you to achieve your dreams and secure your future. It's about making conscious choices with your money. This journey starts with understanding your current financial situation. From there, you can create a roadmap to reach your financial goals. Remember, financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. This essay will provide you with practical tips and tricks to master your personal finances. It is time to take charge and create the financial future you deserve. Before embarking on any financial journey, you must know your starting point. Understanding your current financial situation is crucial for setting realistic goals and making informed decisions. Assess your financial landscape. This involves taking a comprehensive look at your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Begin by creating a budget. Track your income and all your expenses. This means noting down every source of income, whether it's your salary, freelance work, or any other earnings. Similarly, list all your expenses, from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. This will show you where your money is going. By categorizing your expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and find opportunities to save. Next, calculate your net worth. This is a snapshot of your financial health at a given point in time. List all your assets, such as savings, investments, and property. Assets are anything of value that you own, including cash, stocks, bonds, real estate, and personal property. Subtract your liabilities, including loans and credit card debt. Liabilities are your financial obligations, such as mortgages, car loans, student loans, and any other debts. This calculation gives you a clear picture of your overall financial health. Knowing your net worth helps you understand your financial position and can guide your future financial planning. Finally, obtain a copy of your credit report. Your credit report contains detailed information about your credit history and is used by lenders to assess your credit worthiness. Your credit score impacts your ability to secure loans and obtain favorable interest rates. A good credit score can save you money on interest payments and give you access to better financial products. Regularly reviewing your credit report can help you spot errors and take steps to improve your credit score. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom. It can feel overwhelming and insurmountable, like a mountain that keeps growing taller. Many people find themselves buried under a pile of bills, credit card statements, and loan documents, unsure of where to start. But remember, every mountain can be climbed with the right strategy and determination. However, you can conquer this mountain with a strategic approach. The first step is to assess your current financial situation. Take a close look at all your debts, including the interest rates and minimum payments. This will give you a clear picture of what you're up against and help you formulate a plan. Start by prioritizing high-interest debts. These are the debts that cost you the most money over time. By focusing on paying these down first, you can reduce the amount of interest you pay and free up more money to tackle other debts. Focus on paying down credit card balances and loans with the highest interest rates first. Make more than the minimum payment whenever possible, as this will help you pay off the debt faster and save on interest. Consider debt consolidation if you have multiple debts. This can simplify your repayment process by combining several debts into one. Often this new consolidated debt will have a lower interest rate, making it easier to manage and pay off. This involves combining several debts into one, often with a lower interest rate. Debt consolidation can be done through a personal loan, a balance transfer credit card, or a debt management plan. Each option has its pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that best fits your situation. Explore options like balance transfers or personal loans. Balance transfer credit cards often offer low or zero interest rates for an introductory period, which can give you some breathing room to pay down your debt. Personal loans can also be a good option if they offer a lower interest rate than your current debts. Remember, the goal is to minimize interest payments and simplify your repayment process. By reducing the number of debts you have to manage and lowering your interest rates, you can make your debt more manageable and pay it off faster. Always strive to avoid taking on unnecessary debt. This means being mindful of your spending and avoiding impulse purchases that can add to your debt. It's important to live within your means and make a budget that you can stick to. Live within your means and resist impulse purchases that can derail your progress. By being disciplined and sticking to your budget, you can avoid adding to your debt and stay on track to financial freedom. Remember, conquering the debt mountain is a journey, but with determination and the right strategy, you can reach the summit. Saving is the cornerstone of a solid financial future. It provides security and peace of mind. Begin by establishing an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net for unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Automate your savings to make the process effortless. Set up regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Explore different savings options to maximize your returns. Consider high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, or certificates of deposit. Section 5. Investing, planting seeds for future growth. Investing is like planting seeds in a garden. Just as you nurture plants to grow and flourish, you must also nurture your investments to see them thrive over time. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth over time. It's not just about putting money aside, it's about making your money work for you. By investing wisely, you can create a financial cushion that grows and supports you in the future. It allows your money to work for you. Imagine your money as a team of workers, each dollar contributing to the growth of your financial garden. Over time, these small contributions can lead to significant growth. Start by taking advantage of retirement accounts. These accounts are designed to help you save for the future, offering various benefits that can enhance your financial growth. Contribute to employer-sponsored plans like 401ks. These plans often come with employer matches, which is essentially free money added to your retirement savings. If self-employed, open an individual retirement account or IRA. IRAs offer flexibility and tax advantages, making them a great option for those without access to employer-sponsored plans. These accounts offer tax advantages and help you build a nest egg for retirement. Diversify your investment portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring that your investments are not overly reliant on a single asset. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you can protect yourself from market volatility. Spread your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Each asset class has its own risk and return characteristics, and a mix can help balance your portfolio. This diversification helps manage risk. By having a well-diversified portfolio, you can mitigate the impact of poor performance in any single investment. Finally, consider your risk tolerance. Understanding how much risk you are comfortable with is crucial in shaping your investment strategy. Your investment strategy should align with your comfort level. By aligning your investments with your risk tolerance, you can create a plan that you are comfortable with and that will help you achieve your financial goals over time. Remember, investing is a long-term journey, and with careful planning and patience, you can watch your financial garden grow and flourish. Section 6. Cultivating multiple income streams. Increasing your income can accelerate your path to financial freedom. One way is to negotiate a raise or promotion at your current job. Research industry standards and confidently articulate your value to your employer. Explore side hustles. Turn your skills and passions into additional income streams. Freelancing, consulting, or selling handmade goods online are excellent options. Investing in your education and skills is also key. Continuously learning can open doors to higher-paying opportunities. Section 7. The power of financial education. Financial literacy is an ongoing journey. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial experts. Understanding financial concepts empowers you to make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of personal finance. Section 8. Regularly review and adjust your course. Financial planning is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan as needed. Life changes, and your financial plan should reflect those changes. Track your progress, monitor your budget, debt payments, and investment growth. Rebalance your investment portfolio periodically. Ensure your investments still align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific situation. Section 9. Join the journey to financial well-being. Congratulations! You are now on the path to mastering your personal finances. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Many resources and communities are available to support you. Seek out online forums, local workshops, or financial literacy programs. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. Together you can learn, grow, and achieve financial well-being. Start today and create the brighter financial future you deserve. Subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on mastering personal finance.